Welcome to this video where we'll be looking at mathematics under the category algorithms. Algorithms, it is simply called a computer program. It is a computer program. Now, we have two concepts here, the pseudocode and the flowchart. Pseudocode is the process wherein the language will be translated into software codes. So the language, in our case we use English, will be translated into software codes. Flowchart. Flowchart shows the process that needs to be followed with shape and colors to make the data flow of the program easier to understand. So we have to know the difference. Next, we have shapes and symbols that we use when drawing a flowchart. We have the first one. It is called a terminal. A terminal, this is how it looks like. For you to remember easily, remember it in an oval way. It's in oval. It's oval in shape, representing terminal. But the algorithm term is terminal and not oval. This one was put so that you can easily remember how the shapes look like. So, for the terminal, it shows the beginning or end of a program. Same as saying start or stop. For example, this is a terminal. It shows the beginning of a program, and this is another terminal showing the end of a program. So there are times they will write start here, and here it will be written stop, or begin, then here end. So we move on. Next shape is input or output. This one, you can easily remember it as a parallelogram. It shows the input or output of the program. So you'll be able to see words like enter or display. Enter same as input, display same as output. So they can use these terms. Let's see an example. Look at this example. We have this shape that we call input or output. And here we have input, output. Here as well, as you can see, same parallelogram, parallelogram, parallelogram. So input, same as if we were to say enter. See, display, also this one is display, even here is display. So these are the shapes representing input or output. Input, output, enter, display. Even here it was display. So this is what you're supposed to do. Then the third one is called a process. Remember it as a rectangle. This one is for assignment of value, same as a result of computation, result of calculation. Now what do we write in this shape? We write the formula. For example, this is your process. Have you seen the formula inside it? There's a formula inside it. Area is equal to half times r times sine theta. So this is what you're supposed to do when they give you a process. You can easily remember it as a rectangle. Next is decision. For decision, it looks like a diamond. You can easily remember this decision symbol as a diamond. For this one, that is where decision is made. And what can you see in such? Inside the decision, inside this shape, that is where you can find statements like is r less than 0, is r less than 0, is h less than 0, is l less than 0. Check this out. Have you seen the decision here? Is r less than 0? So this is a decision symbol. This is what you're supposed to write in it. Next, we have arrows. An arrow indicates the direction and the order of program. You find arrows everywhere showing direction and flow of the program, showing direction and the order of the program. Thank you for watching.